All right, welcome back to Jackson RC Aviation. And of course, this is a Cobi historic collection, Vietnam War, Bell, UH-1 Huey, and how do you say that?
Iroquois.
Iroquois. This particular one has 656 pieces
And two figures.
and 2 figuremen. And of course, you know what the cross swords mean. Put them in the description. You can tell us all about it. Now, as you can see, it looks like it is 15.3 inches long and 6.3 wide. Doors do open. Okay. There it was in Vietnam. And there's the insides. Okay. Now, Mason has put this together. All right. Take that away. Hold that for a second. Take that box. Now, this here is the manual. And if you look through the manual, you got so many little pieces. And you work from the bottom, from the floor. Is that correct?
No.
How you work it?
Different spots.
Different spots. But it's pretty much doing the floor and working your way up. Correct? Well, that's the way it looks to me.
No,
Hmm?
no.
Yeah. But like I say, there's so many pieces, and you just keep on going.
See, now it goes to the back.
Goes to the back. Okay. Now it does the back. There you go, the back tail section. And then where does it go? There's the back tail section there. And then you go to the roof, right? Which is right here. That is part of the roof section. And that's right here. And then where do you go?
Doors.
To the doors, which are right
And
there.
then go back to the
Huh? And there you are, right there. So, you got a lot to do. And it's a nice booklet. Now let's take a look at the real deal. Okay? Now, now you see the real thing all done up. Up top, you have your 2 men right here. The Bell UH-1 Huey Iroquois. As you can see, the doors are open. Well, the one door is open. And let's see, they done knocked the bin down. You got slide it. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good. You got them both up. You're gonna do something cause it to fall apart. Oh, okay. So there's what you see. Now you military guys, it probably brings back some good old memories. But you can put in the description or in the comments, what is that thing hanging out there? Do you know? Do you really know? Huh? But that deterred a lot of stuff back in the day, and it still does today. All right, let's turn around this way here. Nice and slow. I need a turntable.
First Cavalry.
First Cavalry.
Uh,
These boys were badass back in the day, the First Cavalry. And they're still badass. Could you get them in? Could you get them in?
still a unit.
Yeah, it's still a unit. These are the guys that wear the blue hats. If I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, put it in the comments, because I'm sure somebody knows more about this than I do. I wasn't in the unit, so I don't know.
Just dress hats.
They're not just dress hats.
I think it has one.
These are the real deal. You'll find out if you got a fool. You'll find out if they're the real deal. But there you go. This thing is very detailed. Like I said, it's a little bit more heavier than a Lego. And a lot more, I would say the instructions are a little bit more complicated than the Lego brand. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is a nice unit. Check it out. This is going to be for our hanger display.
Yeah.
And we're probably going to get a couple RC ones.
One of Black Hawk.
And Black Hawk's going to be next.
Yes.
I'm going to do the Black Hawk next. So, again, check it out. Put all your comments in the comment section, because we love to hear about what you think about the Huey UH-1 what? Iroquois.
It's the Indian tribe.
Indian tribe. Okay. Look that up and look up the First Cavalry. That being said, thank you for stopping by Jackson RC Aviation. We look forward to doing some more of these. Everything on this channel is aviation, and everything else we decide we want to do. So you'll see more of these coming. We do have a Coast Guard. Is that a Coast Guard? The boat.
It's an exploration boat.
Exploration boat. We're going to call it a Coast Guard boat. That's a Lego. That's going to probably be next. So, and we might get a flight in tomorrow if we can get the servo and another plane done. All right, then. Thank you for stopping by. And again, this is a Cobi UH-1 Bell Huey. Iroquois. And like I say, if you know all the instinctives and what they mean, put them in the comment, because I'm sure we have some people that like this stuff, because we like it too. Because it's about defending the American homeland. Not abroad, but our own borders. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. And we're on Facebook. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and whatever else we decide to do. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.